Good morning to all traders and welcome to this market insights video on FX majors. Today is the 17th of February and we're going to have a quick look on euro dollar, pound dollar and dollar yen. Now, yesterday the US dollar appeared to be on the rise again as investors seem to be gaining back confidence regarding Biden's proposal, because there were headlines that the administration is going to put down a proposal to be voted on by the end of the month. Now, the reflation trade, because this is exactly what it is, drove euro, pound, and also the yen lower against the greenback, because, of course, US yields rose, mainly the long-term dated, the US 30, I would say, which indicate that markets indeed are expecting inflation to rise. However, there are concerns about the long-term unemployment and also inflation overshooting beyond the Fed's new average target, let's say, and that could weigh on sentiment sooner than expected. It is a big day for the US today because we're expecting the retail data to come out, and later on the session we also expect the FOMC minutes, which are going to give further insights regarding employment, Fed's plan regarding employment, and policy narratives as well. Now, at the same time, don't forget that in the European Union had good German data yesterday, as well as better than expected GDP figures. It's also a big day for inflation figures as well, mainly ones in the UK expected, and also in Canada. So without further ado, let's just jump straight to the charts. On euro dollar, we're looking at this upside to end a little bit higher, and this remains to be the case for me, and I will explain why. Because I see this as a multi-structure move on the downside, and I'm expecting another leg up to 121.86, where wave 3 is going to finish. Then we're going to get 4 and 5, 4 minute wave 1. Then we're going to get 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're reaching 125, 126 highs. Why do I see this as a multi-structure degree on the upside and also as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we ended? It's purely because I don't really like where the Fibonacci ratios are taking us. For example, Fibonacci extension of waves 1 and 2, well, the 1 is over here, which makes no sense. Okay, you can say 3 is larger than 1, but then again, we have to have another internal structure over here, which is what makes me think that possibly or probably this could be a case where we're still in the sub-minute wave 4. And why I see this as a 4 is because this is a clear ABC to me, and another one over here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for a flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for a flat. So it could be a case where we're going to start shooting higher sooner than expected, even like intraday, or it could be a case where this is 1, 2, this is 3, yeah. We're going to get a 4, like a triangle, and then a 5. In either case, we want to remain above 120.65 or up 120.54. Okay, anything below that will getting back into a risky situation where this could be, because it was an ending diagonal over here, right? C. So we can see like this becoming another 3 and then another 3 down here, which means it would be a case where we're going to get a W, X, and Y here. Okay, that also might play in. Now on pound dollar. On pound dollar, markets actually moved exactly as we anticipated last Thursday, if not mistaken. We draw the 100 Fibonacci extension over here, and the 161 and 2 also appearing, and we said this could be an ABC, 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 if we would stop around here, if you recall. But then we extended higher, which is, in that scenario, we said that if we extend higher, it could be a case where this is going to be an impulse rather than an ending diagonal. Okay, and to me, with the 161 out now and down on 3, it looks like, and this looks corrective, we're going to head down in wave 4, which I'm expecting to be around 137.89, because it's the 100 Fibonacci extension of this move, yeah, and also of course away from that top. And then we're going to move higher for wave 5. Now, wave 5 can go anywhere between, well, above 139.30 for sure, but even up to 141.59. If we take into account that the 161 extension is in wave 3, then most likely this will be a equal wave to wave 1, which means 141.59 is the medium-term target. And last, let's have a quick look on dollar again. Dollar again also moved as we expected, but obviously here the Fibonacci levels come in a little bit differently, okay? We did the 1.272 Fibonacci extension over here, which is still bigger than 1, and we moved lower for wave 4. And then it looks like to me we're moving up for wave 5, or we even ended for wave 5. And because we've got a very nice signal here on the MACD as well, okay, which would be a case where it could be this wave in coming in now, wave B, and then we're going to get wave C. Now, why do I think we ended wave 3 at 1.272 Fibonacci extension in this case is purely the structure of this move on the to the upside, okay? Because if we want this to be an eternal structure, let's say wave 3 being here, right? If we assume that, then this move over here, guys, yeah, I don't see that as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Simply because I don't like the ratio between this wave on the downside and this wave on the downside, okay? Whereas this one and this one make sense as the elongated and the sharp, okay? So it's purely because I think the alternation rule fits better in this particular structure, okay? So as I said before, we could get another move to the upside to go anywhere above 106.36, but also we could go up to 200, yes, because at the end of the day, wave 5 is not going to be bigger than wave 3. So we could even go up to 107.084. But with this marketing signal appearing, I think the likelihood of this happening is quite low. This will be all for the day, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe. If you have an alternative scenario in mind, do not hesitate to comment. We'll get back to you as soon as I can. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll speak again tomorrow.